Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best protein powder meal replacement is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools in a busy person's arsenal for maintaining health and fitness goals, offering a quick and efficient way to fuel your body with essential nutrients when time is of the essence. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to optimize muscle recovery, a busy professional needing a quick nutritional boost, or someone simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these powders can be a game changer, providing a balanced mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Number 5. Premier Protein Chocolate Milkshake Powder. Introducing the delicious chocolate milkshake flavor from Premier Protein. It's a satisfying way to fuel your body. Each serving provides a powerful 30 grams of protein to help you feel full and support your fitness goals. Enjoy the rich taste without any added sugar. It's a guilt-free indulgence you can feel good about. Made with 100% whey protein, it's a high-quality source of essential amino acids for muscle support. This formula is keto-friendly and free from soy and gluten, making it a great choice for various dietary needs. With 17 servings in a 24.5-ounce container, it's the perfect convenient and delicious addition to your daily routine. What we like. This option delivers a substantial 30 g of protein per serving, with no added sugars. It's also keto-friendly, making it a great choice for those on low-carb diets. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-protein boost that fits a ketogenic lifestyle, this is a solid pick. What people say. This is a great product for weight loss and muscle gain. It tastes great and mixes well with water or milk. I love that it is low in calories and high in protein. Number 4. Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal Replacement Shake. Introducing a delicious and nutritious way to power your body. This raw, organic shake is packed with plant-based goodness. Experience the benefits of pea protein, sprouts, and greens in every serving. It's a complete meal replacement designed for your well-being. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate. This shake makes healthy eating a pleasure. Support your digestive health with added probiotics. Feel good from the inside out with this dairy-free option. Enjoy a convenient and wholesome meal replacement for weeks to come. It's the perfect addition to your busy lifestyle. Crafted with only the finest organic ingredients, you can trust what you're putting into your body. It's pure, simple, and effective. What we like. This is a raw, organic, plant-based protein powder packed with sprouts, greens, and probiotics. It's dairy-free and offers a comprehensive nutritional profile. If you prioritize organic, plant-based nutrition and want added digestive support from probiotics and greens, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a great meal replacement shake. It has a good taste and is very filling. I love this protein powder. It mixes well and doesn't leave a chalky aftertaste. This product is a lifesaver for busy mornings. It's quick to prepare and keeps me full until lunch. Number 3. Ancient Nutrition Bone Broth Protein Chocolate. Experience the power of real bone broth in every scoop. Our chocolate protein powder is crafted for your wellness journey. Fuel your body with 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Enjoy the rich and satisfying taste of chocolate. It blends seamlessly into your favorite protein shakes. This supplement is gluten-free and features hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Support your body from the inside out. Each tub provides 20 servings, ensuring you have a convenient source of nutrition. Make it a staple in your pantry. Elevate your post-workout recovery or morning smoothie. It's the ideal ingredient for delicious and nutritious shakes. What we like. This powder is uniquely made from real bone broth, providing hydrolyzed collagen peptides for protein. It's gluten-free and designed for easy mixing. If you're seeking the benefits of bone broth and collagen for joint and skin health, and prefer a non-whey, non-plant-based option, consider this. What people say. This is a fantastic meal replacement shake. It has a great taste and texture, and it keeps me full for hours. I also love that it's packed with nutrients and protein. I've tried many meal replacement shakes before, but this one is by far the best. It's not chalky or gritty like others, and it mixes well with water or milk. The flavor is delicious, and it's a great way to get my daily dose of vitamins and minerals. I'm so glad I found this product. It's helped me lose weight and feel more energized. The shake is filling and satisfying, and it tastes amazing. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a healthy and convenient meal replacement option. Number 2. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Introducing a delicious chocolate protein powder designed to nourish your body. It's packed with 54 superfoods for complete wellness. Enjoy 21 g of plant-based protein per serving, perfect for your active lifestyle. Plus, it contains 1.5 billion CFU probiotics to support gut health. Experience a clean formula with no sugar, no dairy, and no GMOs. It's a dairy-free option that tastes great. This versatile powder is ideal as a meal replacement shake. It's keto-friendly and low-carb, fitting perfectly into your diet. Each container provides 15 servings of pure goodness. Enjoy a healthy and satisfying shake anytime, anywhere. What we like. This vegan option is loaded with 54 superfoods, 1.5 billion CFU probiotics, and 21 g of plant-based protein. It contains no sugar, dairy, or GMOs, and is keto-friendly. If you're looking for a comprehensive vegan meal replacement with a wide array of nutrients and digestive support, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great meal replacement shake. It has a good taste and is very filling. I have been using it for a week now and have lost 2 pounds. I love this product. It is a great way to get my protein in and it tastes amazing. I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for a healthy and delicious meal replacement option. This is the best meal replacement shake I have ever tried. It is packed with nutrients and has a great taste. I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for a healthy and convenient way to get their daily dose of protein. Number 1. Garden of Life Raw Organic Vanilla Meal Replacement Shake. Introducing a delicious and convenient way to nourish your body. This shake is packed with organic plant-based goodness to support your active lifestyle. Experience the power of raw, organic ingredients. It's crafted with pea protein, sprouts, and greens for complete nutrition. Support your gut health with added probiotics. This formula is designed for easy digestion and optimal nutrient absorption. Enjoy the smooth and satisfying taste of vanilla. It's a treat your taste buds will love, without any dairy. Get 14 servings of complete nutrition in every container. It's the perfect solution for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. Choose a meal replacement that aligns with your values. It's raw, organic, and made with your well-being in mind. What we like. This raw, organic, plant-based protein powder is also enriched with sprouts, greens, and probiotics, similar to its chocolate counterpart. It's dairy-free and provides a good source of protein. If you prefer an organic, plant-based shake with added digestive and nutritional benefits, and enjoy a vanilla flavor profile, this is a great option. What people say. This is a great product for meal replacement. It is packed with nutrients and keeps you full for hours. I love the taste of this protein powder. It mixes well with water or milk and has a smooth texture. The ingredients are all natural and organic, which is a big plus for me. It's also gluten-free and dairy-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.